Welcome to another video in our series of sales and marketing ideas. The purpose of this video is to assist our reps and our distributors with sales ideas in order to give them a better understanding of how to sell MegAlert products. I'm Polly Meyer. I'm here today with Rick Selm. He is the founder of MegAlert, our chief evangelist, and head of engineering. Good morning, Rick. How are you today?
I'm great, Polly. Always excited to share helpful information about how to best sell MegAlert products.
Super. Well, Rick, let's get started with a couple of your favorite ideas as how to best sell MegAlert products.
Well, Polly, the best way to sell our product is to expose as many decision makers as possible to what we do and the problems we solve. It seems we rarely have issues with end users not wanting our products or not being able to budget for them. Our main obstacle is simply awareness. One thing we've done successfully is to sign up with local trade groups to be a speaker so we can demo our systems at their regular meetings. This is a great way to reach a lot of the same industry people all at once. We've also found these meetings are looking for interesting topics and willing speakers. As an example, the Fox Valley Water Treatment Plant hosts quarterly meetings where they invite guest speakers and allow vendors to demo their products. We've been a part of that and had success selling MegAlert products there because of it.
That's a great idea, Rick. Are there any others?
Another tried and true idea that I'm sure everyone already knows, but it really works, is to host a lunch and learn, where you can get a group of people such as maintenance managers, electricians, engineers, safety people, all together for a meal and a product presentation. This can be done at a specific company, an industry meeting, your office, a consultant's office, or anywhere that you can put a few target decision makers or influencers in a room together at the same time.
That's super, Rick. Are there any ideas that might be unique to MegAlert?
Yes, Polly. We always allow our reps and distributors to offer a customer a free 30 to 60-day trial on any MegAlert system that they have an interest in. These free trials pretty much always result in the customer purchasing the system. Also, free trials build good customer relations and show confidence in our product.
That's a great idea, Rick. But I have a question. What specifically should a distributor rep look for as they consider a customer's facility?
Well, Polly, they should look for the most critical motor in the plant or facility. For instance, a fire boost pump. It should be something the customer cannot ever afford to be without. The most critical equipment is not always the largest motor in the plant, but the one that will cause them the most problems when it fails.
That's great.
Also, Polly, they should look for standby generators anywhere they are protecting the customer's operations, and in some cases, like hospitals and medical centers, it can be protecting lives. Other critical applications include data centers, such as credit card companies, where they are very dependent on backup systems to ensure they don't lose service to their customers.
Rick, how about other ideas that we might not be thinking about at all off the top of our heads?
Well, how about walking the floor at any industry trade show that happens to be in your area and see what type of customer base they have? You can then use those companies to participate in the show, and most of them are very interested in adding our MegAlert products to their equipment. Another idea is to visit engineering companies in your territory and do a lunch and learn to get all their engineers familiar with the MegAlert so they can begin specifying our systems into their projects. It may be a longer sales cycle, but the results are well worth the time and the money spent when these projects begin to call out MegAlert systems in the specs. While there are many ways to reach potential customers, we believe the one-on-one sales calls are still the best method for getting MegAlert name out there and selling the products. The more people you expose the MegAlert to, the more sales you'll make.
Rick, thank you so much for joining me today. For both Rick and I want to sincerely thank all of the dedicated reps and distributors for all of the hard work that you do representing and selling MegAlert products. Remember, you can always call Jeff Ehrman, our global sales leader, or Kate Crawford, our technical sales support specialist, at 1-855-825-SAFE. That's 7233, where we'll be glad to answer any questions and give price quotes. Or visit us at www.megalert.com.